Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an open first move. This is a very simple intermediate move. It's one of the first ones you'd want to learn after your beginner moves, and it's going to improve all of your first moves. It's going to improve your technique for a first move. If you don't know a first move already, there is a link in the description below so you can go off and learn a normal first move because you want to know that before you do this. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So obviously the big difference is you're not using the left hand through the twist out, and because you're not using the left hand you end up with a spin instead of a turn. So let's break it down and we'll start giving you this view. So we go semicircle back like a normal first move, in side by side as you would for a normal first move, but as you get in side by side you remove the left hand, so let go, and the right hand, instead of being on the lady's hip, moves up to the lady's shoulder. So you're cupping the lady's shoulder blade with your right hand. You can use that connection on the shoulder to lead the twist out as normal, so the lady gets exactly the normal footwork. So going back with the right, guys, you can touch with the left or do loads of the other variations you could do with a normal first move. But the difference is that when we get here, that hand on the shoulder blade needs to move across to the far shoulder blade so you can lead the stop, and also give you a good connection to lead the lady forwards again to do the prep for the spin. And again, we've got to switch the hand position. I'm on the far shoulder, I need to move back to the near shoulder so I can lead through and around to lead the spin and catch, return and back, just like a normal first move. So let's do it again from this side and think about some numbers. So we go semicircle back, 1, in side by side picking up the shoulder, 2, twisting out and switching shoulder to stop, 3, twisting in and switching shoulder to stop, 4, leading the spin, 5, catching 6, returning 7 and back 8. You've got everything you need to know. Let's try it to account. Here we go. 5, a 6, an open first move. We go a back, in, twist, prep, spin, catch, return and back. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll put a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.